Hello everyone, this is Ben from ThemeCo, the makers of Xtheme and ProTheme. And if you've started using Xtheme and you're feeling overwhelmed, this series is for you. If you've started using Xtheme and you want to build your own website for a business that you're wanting to launch, or maybe you want to redo the old site that you have that you've created using an old theme, or maybe you're doing it for a client and you want to have it done in just a matter of week or 1 week instead of months. This series is for you. This series will give you the confidence to build websites for yourself and for your clients. And this is a practical uh, series where we build a website from scratch, and I'll guide you through the steps that are essential to accomplishing your goal. So let me show you the website that we will be building. So we have this modern looking website, um, and it has a header, and we have links here, and we using X, we can customize the button here to be a call to action button. Then I'll teach you also how to add the logo here and social media icons here, and all these linking to the correct pages. Also add a couple of links here. Then, quite importantly, the hero area, I'm going to teach you how, using Cornerstone, I'm going to teach you how to build this. So this is the home page, and everything's been built using Cornerstone. And you'll, in several videos from now, you'll be able to do it on your own. And I'm going to teach you how to set global colors that you can reuse in different pages of your site, so that you won't be setting them up over and over again. I'm also going to teach you how to use presets. I'm going to teach you how to add background colors to sections and have a color transparent background on a column or even to a section. And I'm going to teach you also how to set the footer. Then look at this. When you click the button here, it will show you this uh, pop-up that asks you to opt in, that asks user rather to opt in their email addresses. And this is powered by the Convert Plus plugin, which is bundled with your X and Pro installation. So I'm going to teach you how to install that and how to configure. Okay, and then there's also this part, which is also powered by Convert Plus. So I'm going to teach you how to do those. Then I'm going to teach you how to customize the blog page that so that it looks like according to what you want. So one of those is to set up the typography or the fonts of the headline to, and also the of the text, uh, rather the the excerpt. I couldn't find a word. That excerpt, yeah. So yeah, you can do that, and if you don't want this default look on your blog archives page, I'm also going to teach you how to customize it and use the Essential Grid plugin to do that. So here's an alternative look for the blog page, and we have a grid here that is powered by the Essential Grid plugin, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. And we will also have a section that shows the featured article, and this is powered by a global block. So one of the lessons you'll be learning is how to use global blocks, and it is a powerful tool in X and in Pro. So also, I'm going to teach you how to customize the look of your blog posts, of your single blog posts, and then again, it will also be using uh, both the power of global block and dynamic content. So this is how the single page looks like, and I'm going to teach you how to customize that with also create your own child theme for customization. So I hope you stick around, and I hope you find this series helpful. Thank you.